was reading up on some of the content you put out, and I know you have a podcast as well. One of the articles that you've written on the website is just about founders coming back to fundamentals in 2024. Obviously, you wrote this article at the end of 2023. So as this year has evolved, like how have you seen your company succeed or fail, or where have you seen founders focusing on the fundamentals really drive value for their companies?
I mean, the game has just changed over the last couple of years. We all, entrepreneurs, investors, we operate against the backdrop of the macroeconomic environment. 2020, 2021, interest rates are super low, capital availability is through the roof. I think intellectually, entrepreneurs recognize that capital efficiency, however you want to define that, is the right way to run a company. But when someone's knocking on your door and offering to give you $20 million at a really high valuation, it's hard to say no. You say yes, now you have this money on the balance sheet and you have an investor around the table who's looking to generate a 3 to 5x return. They came in at a high price. That sometimes encourages risk taking that might be pursued not necessarily in the most risk adjusted way, which can lead to growth, but sometimes it's kind of sloppy or transient growth. In the aftermath of, the market correction, now all of a sudden capital is more expensive. Guess what? Every investor on the planet is saying, get profitable, extend your runway, manage your cash. Instead of, 3 years prior, people were saying, just get as big as you can, then raise that next round of financing. So that just forces entrepreneurs to focus on different things. And fundamentals comes back in vogue. Now, efficiency metrics, which might have been overlooked a little bit, there's like a tighter scrutiny. And the understanding that you really have a scalable business. If you really want to strip that down and get to the root of it, you got to have a good product delivering value to your customers. You can't fake that. And that's really the foundation of everything, which is built upon that. So now in 2024, I would tell you that we get on a call with an entrepreneur and they are giving our pitch for us. They are already, in most cases, managing towards profitability. So when I say fundamentals, I'm really talking about profitable growth as opposed to growth at all costs.